guys, today we are going to play wobbly ceiling fan. The wobbly ceiling fan home. It's raining 7-0. Stop. Yay! Got it. Let's begin to the flexible X. Okay, I enter. Wait, I'm gonna go there. Let's eat something. And now I'm on the table. Let's begin to the one. Oh, nothing just happened. Ooh. Wait, guys, so I will make the 1-minute video because my class is going to be. Let's begin to the one. Whoa! I stuck. Yeah. Wait, I'm gonna do to the roof, but nothing could happen. Let's begin to in the roof. Oh, I removed the roof.